Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. This is the business owner view of QuickBooks Online for business owners. If you are a fellow home bookkeeper, please feel free to check out my QuickBooks Online tutorials for Bookkeepers playlist to get a better view of what QuickBooks Online will look like for you. Recently, I have been taking over bill pay for quite a few of my clients, thanks to the new bill pay feature powered by Melio that QuickBooks Online rolled out earlier this year. Melio offers small businesses the best online bill paying service. Pay any invoice via bank transfer for totally free, or use a secure check or credit card. This integration has no monthly fee and no subscription costs, saving you time and money. So first things first, you'll need to add a bill in order to be able to pay a bill. So to add a new bill, head on over to the white New button, and under the Vendors column, click on Bill. Once inside the bill screen, select your vendor. Check vendor details, make sure they are accurate, terms, and dates. Once all of the details are correct, enter in the bill details, making sure to select the proper category, and you can even add it to a customer if this is appropriate. When you are finished adding your bill, click the green Save and Close button. This will put your bill into the Accounts Payable screen. To go in and pay your bills, click the white New button, and under the Vendors column, click on Pay Bill. Once in the Pay Bill screen, double-check the account you wish to use to pay your bills, and make sure that the proper date is listed. Select the bill or bills you wish to pay, and click the green Schedule Payments Online button in the bottom corner of your screen. This will open the bill pay integration, and you can follow the prompts to simply set up your online bill pay access. Coincidentally, a client actually showed me this method to access bill pay, so I figured I would share it with all of you because it has made my life so much easier. Since I have been bookkeeping for so long, I was still doing things the old-fashioned way. This is much simpler and makes staying on track of bills and their due dates so much easier. For more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. For even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram at @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, personal financial coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along, wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.